As an English learner, have you ever come across an idiom that just didn't make sense at first? Well, today, we're going to dive into one of the most common and meaningful idioms. Every cloud has a silver lining. Understanding this idiom can really boost your communication skills in English. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of this idiom. My friend, Sarah, was having a really tough day at work. She was feeling stressed and overwhelmed. She said to me, "I just can't see the silver lining in this cloud right now." I had to hold back a laugh, because she was taking the idiom way too literally. So, what does "every cloud has a silver lining" actually mean? It's a figurative expression that suggests that even in the midst of a difficult or challenging situation, there is a positive aspect or reason for hope. The cloud represents the negative or difficult circumstances, while the silver lining symbolizes the hidden, positive side of the situation. Let me give you an example of how this idiom is used correctly. My friend, Alex, just lost his job, which was really tough for him. But he said, "Every cloud has a silver lining. I'm going to take this opportunity to explore a new career path that I'm more passionate about." See how he was able to find the positive in a negative situation? That's the essence of this idiom. Now, let's look at some examples of how you can use "every cloud has a silver lining" in different contexts. Casual conversation. "I spilled coffee all over my shirt this morning. But every cloud has a silver lining, at least it wasn't on my new suit." Formal setting. Despite the setback, we remain confident that every cloud has a silver lining, and we will emerge from this challenge stronger than before. Negative context. "I know you're feeling down about your recent breakup. But every cloud has a silver lining, it's an opportunity to focus on yourself and grow." Humorous context. "I tripped and fell in front of the entire office. But every cloud has a silver lining, at least I provided some entertainment for the day." Literary context. The protagonist faced a series of obstacles, but she never lost hope, for she knew that every cloud has a silver lining. Business setting. While the financial results were not as strong as we had hoped, we believe that every cloud has a silver lining, and we will use this experience to refine our strategies. Social media usage. Tough day at work. But every cloud has a silver lining, looking forward to a relaxing evening at home. To help you remember the meaning of "every cloud has a silver lining," think of a dark, stormy cloud with a bright, shining ray of light peeking through. This visual representation can serve as a powerful memory aid to recall the idiom's meaning. Now, let's explore some fun facts about this idiom. The origins of this idiom date back to the 17th century, where it became a common proverb in English literature. The idiom encourages a positive outlook, suggesting that even difficult situations can have beneficial aspects. The idiom has been widely used in literature, movies, and popular culture to convey a message of optimism and resilience. Here are some related idioms and phrases that you may encounter. Similar idioms. "When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, there's a light at the end of the tunnel." Opposite idioms. "All doom and gloom, it's all downhill from here." Related idioms. "Look on the bright side, see the glass half full." Let's try this. "Every cloud has a silver lining, so I'm sure we'll find a solution to this problem." Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. "Even though we're facing a challenging situation, I'm confident we'll find a positive way to resolve it." Notice how the meaning remains the same, but the idiom adds a more colorful and optimistic tone to the statement. I remember a time when my friend, Emily, was feeling really down after not getting the job she had interviewed for. But she said, "Every cloud has a silver lining." This means I can focus on my side business and make it my full-time career. Her positive outlook and use of the idiom really inspired me. Now, let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom every cloud has a silver lining. Grammatical mistake: saying every cloud has the silver lining instead of every cloud has a silver lining. The correct usage is with the indefinite article a. Meaning misunderstanding: thinking the idiom means that every difficult situation has a literal, physical silver lining, rather than a figurative, positive aspect. Inappropriate context: using the idiom in a situation where it doesn't fit, such as a highly serious or tragic event, where it may come across as insensitive or dismissive. Let's test your understanding with a few multiple-choice questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom every cloud has a silver lining? A. Every dark cloud has a bright side. B. Every cloud is made of silver. C. Every problem has a solution. Correct answer, A. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to every cloud has a silver lining? A. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. B. All doom and gloom. C. It's all downhill from here. Correct answer, A. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to every cloud has a silver lining? A. Look on the bright side. B. See the glass half full. C. It's all doom and gloom. Correct answer, C. In summary, every cloud has a silver lining is a powerful idiom that encourages us to find the positive in even the most challenging situations. By understanding the meaning, usage, and cultural context of this idiom, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and confidently in English. So, the next time you encounter a difficult situation, remember to look for that silver lining. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences or examples of using the idiom every cloud has a silver lining in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful idiom explanations. Let's keep learning and improving our English skills together.